To add liquidity in Uniswap v3, you need to understand the basics of Uniswap and liquidity provision. Uniswap v3 is a decentralized exchange protocol that allows users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless and permissionless manner. Liquidity provision is the process of providing assets to a liquidity pool, which enables trading on the platform. First, you need to have a wallet with Ethereum and the tokens you want to provide liquidity for. You also need to have a basic understanding of Uniswap v3 and its interface. To start, go to the Uniswap v3 website and connect your wallet. Then, navigate to the pool page and select the token pair you want to provide liquidity for. You can choose from a list of available pools or create a new one if it does not exist. Once you have selected the token pair, you need to specify the range for which you want to provide liquidity. This range is also known as the tick range. The tick range determines the price range for which your liquidity will be active. For example, if you choose a tick range of 100 to 200, your liquidity will be active when the price of the token pair is between 100 and 200. After specifying the tick range, you need to specify the amount of tokens you want to deposit. You can deposit either one or both tokens of the pair. Depending on your preference, the protocol will automatically calculate the amount of the other token required to maintain the desired liquidity. It is essential to note that providing liquidity in Uniswap v3 comes with risks, such as impermanent loss. Impermanent loss occurs when the price of the tokens in the pool changes, causing the value of your deposited tokens to decrease. To minimize this risk, it is crucial to choose a suitable tick range and monitor the pool's performance regularly. To minimize impermanent loss, you can also use strategies such as concentrating your liquidity around the current market price or using range orders to limit your exposure to price volatility. Additionally, you can use tools and analytics platforms to monitor your liquidity provision and adjust your strategy accordingly. In conclusion, adding liquidity in Uniswap v3 requires a basic understanding of the protocol and its interface. By following these steps and considering the risks and best practices, you can successfully provide liquidity and earn rewards in the form of trading fees. Always make sure to do your own research and consider your own risk tolerance before providing liquidity in any decentralized exchange protocol.